If you've got a MacBook that won't turn on when you press on the power button, there is still a trick you can try. First of all, you have to remove your battery, unplug the MagSafe adapter, press and hold on the power button for about 5 seconds, then replace the MagSafe. Keep on holding on to that power button, another 5 seconds or so, let go, and then press it just once. And if you have the same problem as me, then your MacBook should boot up. So this will allow you to keep using your MacBook while you figure out a more permanent solution. Thanks for watching.